Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you my process of modeling a 3D character in Blender. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into it. So, funny story guys, I forgot that I wanted to record when I started modeling the character. I've already gone far, I've already started modeling the figure before I remembered that I wanted to record my process. So I'm sorry I didn't start from the beginning, but I will show you guys maybe in another character, my next character, I will start recording from the beginning. So right now I've already done the basic forms of the character, the hands and the legs, and I'm just doing some adjustment. I'm trying to sculpt and get the right angles of the hand and the body, get the right shape and form. So this character is actually inspired by a post I saw on Instagram. I saw the design and I decided to try to model the character, and so far it has been a fun ride. Right now I added the clothes of the character. The character is meant to be a lady wearing a pajamas. Yeah, that's pajamas. So I gathered some references of someone wearing the pajamas and some character styles. When you're modeling, you need to have references so you don't make mistakes. So, quick fact, I've been learning 3D arts, character modeling for a while now. I think some years now, and I wouldn't say I'm professional at it yet. I'll say I'm still learning because I still have so much to learn. I'm still trying to improve on my skills and get better, and it has been a very, very fun journey. And Blender, which is the software I use, has made it pretty easy for anyone to just pick up, start learning 3D character animation. And I hope to be very good at this skill and start getting some projects to work on. But so far I'm just working on my personal projects and developing my skills. my biggest challenge so far throughout learning 3D character modeling is getting the lips, getting the mouth. That's the biggest challenge I've had. I've not been able to figure out different ways to actually achieve that perfect mouth shape, especially for the ladies. So I'm trying to follow a tutorial here, trying to get the shape of the lips correctly, and you see me try different lip shapes here, different funny shapes. I know with time I'll be able to figure it out and perfect it. It just takes lots of practice, and practice makes perfect. So there's something we call topology in 3D, and that's what I'm trying to do now. I'm trying to topologize the head so that it will be easier to animate and easier to put in game engines and easier to render also. So it's changing the topology of the head from high topo to low topology, and only those that are maybe into 3D might understand what I'm doing now. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So that brings us to the end of this video, guys. I know the character is not yet complete, but I don't want to make the video too long, and I'm still working on the character. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video.